Okay, my name is Elliot Payne and I'm making Millionaire Shortbread. First, we've got our ingredients. We've got sugar, we got flour, we got pure salt, we got butter. But before we start mixing these, we need to preheat the oven to be 50 degrees Fahrenheit. I've always taken the liberty of doing that because it will take forever. Okay, now we need to mix all these ingredients into the bowl. So first, we have 1 cup all-purpose flour. Okay. Then we have 5 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. Then we have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we get 1 full stick of butter and we chop it into little squares. So, I am pulsing all the ingredients to make a heterogeneous mixture. It is heterogeneous because you cannot see the same stuff inside of it. This is a very long process. Okay, so after you've been pulsing for a while, this is what it should look like. So you're going to stop to grease the pan, which will lower surface tension so your shortbread doesn't get stuck to the pan. Now doing this, you can use Pam or you can use what I'm doing, which is just the butter cover. Okay, now you want to pour this into the pan. Make sure you get all of it out. And then you want to flatten it to the edges of the pan. Okay, so now that we've patted it down, we have to put it into the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Now we're putting it in the oven, which would be an endothermic reaction, and you have to put it in there so it cooks and binds everything together. We set the timer. So now we have to make the caramel layer. So first we add 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. This is taking forever. Give me a second. Hopefully this will speed up the process. There it goes, like the water gates. Let me clean my finger off. Okay, after that, we add 1/4 cup of dark corn syrup. Then we add a cup of brown sugar. And then 1/2 cup of butter. Yes, there's a lot of butter in this. After that, mix together, and then you need to whisk it. Okay, so after you whisk it a little bit, you put it in here. whatever, let's keep going.
Also, guys,
Okay, so, minor setback, put a little too much water in, but we're moved on, we're past it. So now, you want to slow cook this over this fire while continuously stirring it. Okay, so after you've been stirring for a long time, I replaced the whisk with this just to transfer real quick. So after you've been stirring for a very, very long time, you now pour it on top. Turn this off first, that's very hot. Put this on top of the flatbread. Okay, so now we are melting the chocolate. This is a physical change because it can be reversed. You would like to do this in 20-second increments.
Oh God.
Okay, so after you've melted the chocolate, now you pour it on. Get all up in there. Okay, so after you smooth it out, it should look like this. You put it in the freezer to harden, and it's done.